Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gracious and I hope you guys are doing well. Yes, I promised you that in our next video, which is this video, I'll be taking you through the steps which I took and made 500 Cedis from my Forex trading. Yes, I do part-time Forex trader. I'm not a full-time Forex trader. I will be taking you through the steps, what I did, what I didn't do, like the whole thing, how I took the trade, the strategy I used, and then to keep it very simple. Remember one thing, if you are a beginner Forex trader or you are getting into Forex trading, trade what you see, not what you think. Trade what you see on the chart, not what you imagine. No way. Trade what you see. Yeah. So let's get straight into the chart without much ado. Making 500 Cedis in 3 days or in 1 week on the Forex market. Let's get into the chart. Let's go. Okay. We have GBP. Okay. The trades I took, I wrote them down in my journal. So I took AUD, USD, GBP, CHF, and then USD, CHF. So let's start with the AUD. Let's start with the AUD, USD, right here. Yes, here is it. Here is the setup of the trade. Very, very simple setup. I love the 4 hour. Yeah, I love the 4 hour a lot because that's what I've been taught and trained with by my mentor, which is Kojo Forex. Yeah, I've been taught a lot on the 4 hour. So I love the 4 hour so much. It helped me get more confirmation and then get more out to look into the market into the future. Yeah, so here is it. Let me zoom it out and let's have a look. As you can see, this market is in a downtrend. It's in a downtrend on the bigger time. If you go to the high time frame, you see that it's in a downtrend. Yeah, where I drew my where this trend line is coming from is in a downtrend. So let's go back to where we were on the 4 hour. This is a very, very simple support and resistance trading strategy. And then, yeah, we went into it. So this is how it panned out. I was away. So price came all the way through. I was patiently waiting for price to come here because price came here and then rejected. It's once came here, rejected, went to the upside, formed this double top, came down, rejected, and then was not able to come down there. So when price rallied up, price was able to rally up to all this level and then started coming down. I was patiently waiting. I missed the opportunity to enter from here, and that's the sniper entry. I missed the opportunity to enter from here because I wasn't by the chart. I do part-time trading, so yeah, it happens sometimes. I was just waiting, and then price broke this level right here, broke this level at 0.66561. Price broke here, and there's something funny which price does. Any level price breaks, it will surely come to tap there before moving down. Let's say it's in an uptrend. Let's say, okay, this is in a downtrend, right? So when price breaks here, this level, I mean here, this place. When price breaks here, it will surely come back to test it. Let's say something like this. It will surely come back to test it before coming down like this. I hope you guys understood by the illustrations I'm doing on the chart. So this will basically form something we call head and shoulder. If price comes here and then come down, because this is the first head and this is the first shoulder, sorry, and this will be the second shoulder if it formed, and this will be the head. So okay, let's just go back. Let's go back and then focus on why and how I took this trade. Yes, here is it. So price came down all to this place. Remember, we have a previous low here. Which I'm patiently waiting for. This is a support right here, which I'm patiently waiting for price to come there and then move to the upside. And then here is it. And there are a series of confirmations I look out for before entering market scenarios like that. When price came here, I was patiently waiting. Let's go to the 1 hour for you to see a detail of this, what I'm just trying to teach you guys. Here is it. Price came here, went up, came down, tapped into it, and then with the bullish presence here, and I was like, no way, I have to enter. Look at the candles. You read the candles. Let's go back to the 4 hour. That's where a lot of things go on. Can you see this? These bullish candles were very, very solid, bullish engulfing right there. 1, 2, right there. So I entered on the second candle. That's what I do. I enter the markets when I have 2 or more confluences. The more the confluence, the more your assurance that this market will move into the direction you're anticipating. Yeah, so that's it. Price went here. I entered the market and then put my first TP here. My first TP was here. There's something I like to do. My stop loss will be the same as my TP, my first TP. Yes. So this is 31 pips. I'm risking 31 pips on this. And then my first TP is also 31 pips. And then my second TP is right here on this breakout right here. This price break zone right here. So that's it. This tool is the risk to reward tool. I just put it there, and then bro, the result I'll show you guys. Here is it in the corner right here. AUD USD. I am not still holding that trade. Yeah, I'm not still holding it because I took all my profits right here on the first TP where this line is. Yes, let's go. I hope you understand it. And then let's move on straight to that's GBP CHF. That pair made me the biggest money on this trade. Let's go into it. Let's go into it. Let me just a minute. Okay. So here's it. As you can see on the chart, I made AUD USD. I took some partial profits because I used a lot size of 0.5. So I took the first three. That's 53 Cedis 0.21 pesos, and then 55. Then the last one, which TP hit, was 5. That's 0.01. That's 5.49 Ghana Cedis. I split it. That's trade management right there. So moving on to the second pair, that's GBP CHF, which I also took with similar scenario, very similar and simple scenario. When you look closely to the chart, to the left side, price broke here, and then I put my line there because I know price will come and retest there and create something funny, very, very, very funny at that place. Very, very simple. And then here is it. Just a minute. Let me just check. Okay, we are recording. We are back on the chart. Price will come there and create something very, very beautiful there. So I was patiently waiting. I missed this opportunity right here to go for a buy. So I was just waiting for price to reach this zone, which I have demarcated because of the previous happening here. Price broke here. So it will surely come and retest before going anywhere it wants to go. So here is it. Price came right there, and then look at what happened. Let's go to the 1 hour and you have a look. Okay, let's go to the 2 hour. Did you see that? As you can see, I did this. That's my anticipation that when price reaches there, it will come retest the zone before going. So price broke out through this level, as you can see right there. Price broke out through the level, retest as I anticipated, and started moving up. So I was like, come on, let me look for my confirmation right there. So I entered somewhere around this place when price dropped this huge candle. But when I was watching, I looked at the second candle forming right there, the bullish candle forming right there, and that's almost halfway through. It's a very solid candle for confirmation for me. So I just entered and then waited patiently. Psychology is at play here. You have to wait. Trading is a lot of waiting and patience. So I waited very patiently, entered this trade. I risked about 22 pips on this one, GBP CHF, 22 pips for a reward of 122. But it's not up to the second TP. My first TP was somewhere around here, which I took, and then, bro, I relaxed for my trade to play out, and it's still playing out. I'm out of it. I'm out of this trade, but I just left everything there for you guys to see. It's still playing out anyway. So that's it for GBP CHF also. Very, very simple strategy. Break and retest. You break it, retest, it will go back to the upside. Break, retest, but it will not be like that all the time. Sometimes it may, but most of the time, that's how market behaves when it comes to things like this. Then the last pair I traded, that's okay. For the GBP CHF, I made, that's how much. Let's see, that's how much. I also took partial profit. So the first one I took 0.1 of it, that's 12 Cedis 98 pesos, and I left the 0.04 to run, and it made me 257 Cedis 76 pesos because my first TP was hit. So that's it. And then the last pair which I entered all the trades on the same day, same hour, same time. So USD CHF, here is it. Oh goodness, I love this. Same thing. Can you see similar thing on this pair as GBP CHF? This is USD CHF. Similar thing. Very similar thing. Market came here, broke it, retest, came back all the way. So whilst market was up on the uptrend, okay, let me just use the mouse. Whilst market came here, broke it, came all the way down here, and there was a change in direction. Market changed direction because of this double bottom right here and was moving upwards. I was like, no, let me just wait and look through my chart and work this thing out. And behold, the things I was taught in the Kojo Forex Academy really helped me. And this zone is a significant area which I marked out, because this 8700, that's a whole number in a significant area as well. So I just waited patiently, and then the price came back there, tap into it, and then retest this level as well. Can you see the level right here? I think I should demarcate it for you guys. Here, 1, and then we have 2 right here. Can you see that? Can you see that? We have 2 levels right there. Price broke here, retest, came back. That's a very significant area, and then significant area. Let's focus on this one, which I took the trading. I'm on a 2-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour. That's where the miracles happen. Yeah, similar thing. Very, very simple. Break and retest. Price came here and broke this significant level, and I was patiently waiting. Price retested it, and with the candle right here, just look at this. And there was a news, I think, because I wasn't by the chart when my TP was hit. There was a news. Price came here and started and brought about this bearish engulfing right here. Same, tap into my zone, and then started with a bearish engulfing. I was like, no way, I don't have to wait for this. I entered and then patiently waited, and bro, my TP was smashed, and that's it on the screen. 501 Cedis right there in a week. It took 3 days. I held that position for 3 days, and then let's move straight to GBP. USD CHF. This is the trade I took on USD CHF right here. Yes, here is it. Let's go to it and what I did for USD CHF. Yeah, very, very simple. Break and retest. Keep everything very simple. That's one thing I've been taught. You keep it very simple, nothing complicated. So here is it. As you can see, there are some ash markings on my chart. 1, 2, 3. Those are levels of importance to me. Price came back, broke here, and then I marked it out because it's a significant level for me. Price was ranging from here, came back, broke this place, and then retest, came back. That's a significant level for me. So I marked it out. So I was waiting patiently when price changed direction with this double bottom right here and was moving to the upside. I was patiently waiting. Price broke here, couldn't retest it, and flew all the way up. Then price came to this significant level of mine, which I marked out. Price broke it, and I was very, very sure that price would come, retest it, correction phase before going to the upside because of the level here. There's a lot of action there, liquidity there. Price came back, retest it, and my confirmation. Let's go to the 1 hour for you to get a clear picture. Can you look at this? Have a look at this. Guys, can you see this? There is it. Price came back into the zone, which I marked with this. Here is it. Here's the zone. And then this is my anticipation. This huge arrow you are seeing is my anticipation. That's what I usually do so that I will not forget what I've done on the chart. So price came back to that place and then started going up with the confirmation I'm having here. Here's it. I look for a lot of things before entering the trade. I don't just wake up with the confirmation I'm having here with my candlestick confirmation. I just look for my confirmation and then entered. It's on my zone. Look for my candlestick confirmations, enter the trade, then wait patiently for the market to play out. So God willing, the market played out in my favor as I anticipated. And bro, it was also a hit on a USD CHF, which is on the this thing is on the screen right now. That's 117 Ghana cedis. That's 35 pips, 35 pips right there on it. And I just love it. Within 3 days, I held the trade for 3 good days, and it all played out peacefully. This takes a lot of mental prowess. Psychologically, you have to be patient with the market. You don't have to rush it. One thing I want to let you guys know, that trading is not a get rich quick scheme. No way. It took me years. Will I say years? Yeah, because I started this thing after COVID. That's 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, this 2024. Yes, I'm in my fourth year. I took it seriously in 2021, and I decided to go to the Forex Academy in 2022, October. Yes, my certificate right here. I was taught a lot, and the Forex Go strategy, I was taught a lot, bro. I have been taught a lot, and this is how I made my passive income. Yeah, to support myself, because Ghana, bro, living in Ghana, you can't be doing one work unless, yeah, Charlie, I'm a graphic designer by profession. I do videography, weddings, and whole lot. Yeah, but I still need a lot of money to take care of myself and my family and everything. So I'm a man, so I have to strive daily for good things. Yeah, for good things. So that's it. I hope you learn a lot from it. You keep it very simple, simple break and retest strategy, which I used there, and it was mind blowing. And I hope you learn a lot from this video, and then I hope you guys will also embark on the journey of trading as we go on. There's videos I'll be doing, weekly lookouts, what will happen in the week, like weekly breakdowns, so that we all move together and grow together and make money online together as the days go and the years also goes by, and we grow and grow financially. We are all heading to financial freedom, the time freedom. Bro, as men, we have to explore our dreams. You can't do that without money. Yeah, money, you not having money limits you. You can't explore. No, come on. My mentor is in the UAE, Dubai right now, living there. Free, like, yo, come on. That lifestyle is good. Let's trade Forex. Let's make money. Guys, CD Forex right here. See you guys in the next episode. Peace. Shalom.